السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أبنائي وبناتي طلاب الصف العاشر. أقدم لكم فيما يلي مواضيع الاختبار القصير الخاصة بالاختبار القصير اللي مطلوب فيه بس one paragraph، بس مقطع واحد من 6 جمل. عندنا موضوع الأول write 6 sentences about keeping fit. الانترودكتوري sentence والsupporting details والconcluding sentence. Introductory sentence here: nothing is better than keeping fit. Supporting details: eating healthy food, doing sport, sleeping well. Concluding sentence: keeping fit helps us live a long and happy life. Keeping fit: nothing is better than keeping fit. There are many ways to keep fit. We should eat healthy food. We should also do regular sport. Sleeping well every night is necessary as well. Keeping fit helps us live a long and a happy life. الموضوع الثاني: write 6 sentences about healthy food. Introductory sentence: healthy food has numerous benefits. Supporting details: fighting diseases, improving the immune system. Green tea, chocolate, probiotic drinks. Eating healthy food is very important for a healthy life. الموضوع على الشكل التالي: Healthy food has numerous benefits. It helps us to combat diseases and improves our immune system. We should eat moderate amounts of fruit and vegetables. We should add green tea and dark chocolate to our diet. Having probiotic drinks helps our digestive process. Eating healthy food is very important for a healthy life. موضوع آخر: write 6 sentences about fast food. Introductory sentence: many people tend to eat fast food. Supporting details: easier and faster, cheaper and tastier, many health problems, obesity and heart diseases. Concluding sentence: fast food appeals to many people, but it has many drawbacks. Fast food: many people tend to eat fast food. They find it easier, cheaper, and tastier. Junk meals are served fast, so you don't have to wait for long. On the other hand, fast food leads to many health problems. It causes obesity and heart diseases. It contains much saturated fat, which is very dangerous for our bodies. Fast food appeals to many people, but it has many drawbacks. Write 6 sentences about vegetarian lifestyle. Introductory sentence: the vegetarian diet has become popular all over the world. Supporting details: rich in water and vitamins, a rich source of antioxidants, helpful for weight loss, lacks RDA, causes malnutrition. Concluding sentence: fast food appeals to many people, but it has many drawbacks. Vegetarian lifestyle: today, the vegetarian diet has become popular all over the world. It has some advantages, as it is rich in water vitamins, and fiber. Moreover, it is a rich source of antioxidants. Also, it is helpful for weight loss. On the other hand, it has many disadvantages as it lacks RDA. It also causes malnutrition. Write 6 sentences about culture of peace. Introductory sentence: people around the world have different lives. Supporting details: show respect and understanding. Respect other religions. Seminars and conferences raise awareness. Concluding sentence: the culture of peace is like a simple bridge between nations. Culture of peace, respecting cultures. People around the world have different lives and ways of living. We should show respect and understanding to other cultures, religions, and creeds. Islam orders us as Muslims to respect other religions. Kuwait has done a lot to promote the culture of peace. It has arranged seminars and conferences to raise awareness among Kuwaitis. It is said the culture of peace is like a simple bridge between nations. Write 6 sentences about a restaurant you like most. Introductory sentence: my favorite eatery is Tikka. Eatery يعني restaurant. Supporting details: good location, atmospheric setting, calming place. Large parking area, raise awareness, variety of meals. Concluding sentence: I advise you to try it and you will never regret. A restaurant you like most. My favorite eatery is Tekka. The restaurant has a good location. It overlooks the Gulf. It has an atmospheric setting. It has a large parking area. It is a calming place which serves organic and healthy meals. Its menu has a variety of meals. Moreover, the prices and the service are very good. I advise you to try it and you will never regret. Write 6 sentences about building impressive buildings. Introductory sentence: impressive buildings are very important to any country. Supporting details reflect a good image, developed and modern, attract tourists, become landmarks. Concluding sentence: Kuwait has many impressive buildings like Kuwait Towers and 360 Mall. Building impressive buildings. Impressive buildings are very important to any country. First, they reflect a good image for a country. They reflect a good image for a country. Besides, these buildings show that the country is developed and modern. Also, they attract tourists from all over the world, which is good for the country's economy. Moreover, they become landmarks for these countries. Kuwait has many impressive buildings like Kuwait Towers and 360 Mall. Write 6 sentences about building a new airport in your area. Introductory sentence: building an airport can be profitable. Supporting details: make traveling easier, improve the economy, provide more jobs, bring more noise, cause air pollution, bring more traffic. Concluding sentence: building a new airport is beneficial to any area. Building a new airport in your area. Building an airport can be profitable. However, building it may have advantages and disadvantages. It will make traveling easier to other countries. In addition, it will improve the economy. It will improve the economy of the country. Moreover, building a new airport will provide more jobs. On the other hand, it will bring more noise to the area. Also, it may cause air pollution. In addition, it will bring more traffic to the region and the area's dwellers might get annoyed. Building a new airport is beneficial to any area.